Hi, my name is Sarthak Pathak. I chose XUV 700. I'm taking the delivery of the vehicle today. My reason for choosing Mahindra, first of all, its basic standards for all the amenities, all the luxuries, all the facilities the vehicle is providing, all the features that this vehicle has, the segment leading features are just top notch. I don't think any other vehicle in the segment has this kind of features or provides us with any type of benchmark features that this vehicle is providing. And first and foremost, my reason for choosing automotive especially was first thing was my father suggested. He specially wanted to buy the vehicle from automotive because it is one of the oldest in the business, and from Hyderabad, in Hyderabad. And definitely the staff and everybody, especially the sales manager Joel himself, with us in tremendous way, in each and every way, in each and every issue we faced in the waiting period. For any information that we required, anything that was supposed to be done is done. And I totally recommend anybody blindly to come to RP Road Automotive and book your vehicle straight away.